Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated smartphones around, the latest Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. If you love premium technology with a twist of innovation, stick around because what we're about to uncover will absolutely blow your mind. Imagine an ultra-slim device that not only looks stunning, but is packed with top-tier performance. Let's break down all the groundbreaking details that have emerged from recent leaks. Recent rumors have been flying about everything from the release date to the price tag of the Galaxy S25 Edge. In an unexpected twist, new information leaked from Samsung's own Canadian website. Tucked away in the terms and conditions of a promotion offering 20% off on a Galaxy Tab S10 FE, a table of eligible devices revealed pricing details for various models. Among them, the Galaxy S25 Edge made a surprising appearance. A vigilant observer picked up on these details and quickly shared a snapshot of the information. According to the leak, the 256GB variant is set at $1,679 Canadian dollars, while the 512GB model comes in at $1,859 Canadian dollars. These figures roughly translate to about US $1,209 and US $1,338 when converted. Though, it's important to note that other regional leaks in Korea suggest prices could range between US $1,045 and US $1,135. Either way, we're definitely looking at a flagship price set north of the $1,000 mark. This unexpected leak has kicked the excitement into high gear and left us all wondering what else Samsung has in store. The Galaxy S25 Edge is not just about raw power, it's a design marvel. The leaked details confirm what many fans have been hoping for, a sleek, super slim smartphone that redefines what premium really means. Samsung's new model is said to feature a state-of-the-art titanium frame, offering both robust durability and an incredibly light feel. The phone weighs in at just 163 grams, making it one of the lightest in the lineup. To put that into perspective, it's only 1 gram heavier than the regular Galaxy S25 and noticeably lighter than both the S25 Plus and S25 Ultra models. With a thickness of only 5.8 millimeters at its thinnest point, the S25 Edge is a true testament to Samsung's commitment to ultra-slim design. While it may not boast flamboyant color choices, with jet black and silver leading the charge, it delivers a sophisticated aesthetic that screams premium quality. This isn't just a smartphone, it's a piece of art that blends cutting-edge technology with sleek, minimalist design. Beneath its elegant exterior, the Galaxy S25 Edge is built to deliver powerhouse performance. Rumors suggest that the flagship is set to pack the renowned Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. This means blazing fast processing speeds and the kind of multitasking prowess that can handle both intense work sessions and high-octane gaming without breaking a sweat. The imaging capabilities are just as impressive. Imagine a pro-grade 200MP primary camera that lets you capture life in minute detail, even in challenging lighting conditions. Coupled with an ultra-responsive front camera for crisp selfies, every shot you take is set to be nothing short of extraordinary. And let's not forget about the display. The device is expected to feature a vibrant screen protected by the new Corning Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2. This innovative twist on traditional glass not only elevates durability, but also enhances the visual brilliance of every image and video you view. While cutting-edge performance and a premium design are at the forefront, everyday usability is equally important. Inside, the Galaxy S25 Edge integrates all the essential components that ensure a seamless user experience. It comes with a battery configuration designed to support all-day usage even with heavy use. Although specific battery capacity figures are still under wraps, the focus is clearly on balancing power with efficiency. Connectivity hasn't taken a back seat either. The phone is engineered with a multifunctional USB Type-C port, which serves double duty as both the charging and audio jack. Even though the era of the 3.5mm headphone jack is over for many flagship devices, Samsung ensures that quality audio output is still a priority. With fast charging support and intelligent power management, the S25 Edge is set to keep up with your fast-paced life. All this excitement culminates in the much-anticipated global launch. Rumors now point to an initial launch in select regions on May 13th, with an international debut slated for May 30th. This staggered rollout is designed to let Samsung gauge the buzz and ensure a smooth launch across all markets. Whether you're in North America, Asia, or anywhere else in the world, prepare to see the Galaxy S25 Edge transform your smartphone experience. What does this mean for you as a tech enthusiast? Soon, you'll have in your hands a device that pushes the boundaries of design, power, and functionality, a true flagship that stands out in every way. From its cutting-edge imaging capabilities to its ultra-slim chassis and lightweight build, every aspect has been meticulously crafted for those who demand more from their technology. The new Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge is more than just another smartphone. It's a glimpse into the future of mobile design and performance. With pricing hints that place it firmly in the flagship market and innovative features that set new benchmarks for durability and aesthetics, the S25 Edge is poised to become a game-changer. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of 2025's most exciting tech releases, hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below about what feature excites you the most. Stay tuned, because as soon as Samsung drops more official details, we'll be right here to break everything down further. Until next time, keep exploring, keep innovating, and get ready for the future at the edge of technology.